Short on time? You got this. The cordless Black+Decker PowerSeries Extreme holds up to its name. Its triple cleaning system tackles dirt, dust, and debris across tile, hardwood, and carpet. With extreme hair pickup from an anti-tangle brush bar. 3 cleaning features, 1 extreme performance. The Black+Decker PowerSeries Extreme with triple cleaning system.
Innovation Triflex HX1. Experience the extreme suction of Miele's Vortex technology, combined with a powerful electro brush, as strong as Miele's most powerful corded vacuum series, now in a cordless stick vacuum. The new Miele Triflex HX1.